Here we are, TreeSafe, Brian Bixler, Colfax High grad, knocking down this pine tree. Actually, you know what? I think Brian and I came here when he was still in high school, or just out of high school. He might have done his first tree job here. Slowly piecing this thing down. This thing is a project. Let's go down and see some of the problems we might have here. There's a good view. Pines in between the two houses. Well, that's the garage and the house. Really no room there at all. No access either. Lift is right there. And the chipper truck's right there. Got a steep driveway. Let's see what we got. Getting it done now. Getting it done. Little by little. There's some pickle right here. Get in the head. Look at this. Talk about no access. Everything's got to come down in between these two buildings here. The brush is going up. Brand new front walk. There's the tree. Down there. Side window. Call it type fit. Everything through the barn door. So basically, this whole vine tree is cut into little pieces, dropped there, carried through that door. Unbelievable. But with the Colfax High education, anything's possible. Around back here, see if we can find the homeowner. There he is, hard at work, or maybe more like hardly working.
Hardly working.
Looking very relaxed.
Yeah, very relaxed.
Ah!
He's sure good with that lift. I watched him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's going on, brother? Good. Looking good. After this. Watch out. Biscuits. Thoughts for the day? Any good thoughts for the day?
One little piece at a time, and then get done.
Beautiful.
Sir, always.
Graduate. Working safe. I love this video for a lot of reasons. One is these Colfax High kids started doing tree work with me in high school. Now he owns this fantastic TreeSafe company, highly successful, one of the best tree services in the foothills, if not the best tree service. And it's actually analogous to what we do in school. I mean, you start out early in math, simple little steps, simple little problems, and then as the problems get more and more complex, you're using all of those steps from before. The only difference is there's so many steps, you got to start putting together all those pieces. So that's what he's doing on that tree job. He started with small little steps, small little landscaping jobs, small little tree removals, and now he's doing this unbelievably intricate tree job, building on all those previous steps. So that's what we do here at Colfax High.